like wanted the fastest, would you want to, for example, drop it off at a welding shop and we would go and cover the bill of going and getting it corrected, and that's where you have it the quickest? Otherwise, it will be kind of like a good, like a week turnaround or something like that before I can get one that can test fit and everything.
Yeah, problem is I'm like not in town. Like I live out in the middle of nowhere, right? So I'd have to, you know, take it like half hour, 40 minutes away. So
yeah,
you know what I mean? It's
we
fucking,
tried to, but
I
yeah,
already,
unfortunately, it's like get delayed.
it feels expensive as fucking, you know what I mean? And I'm just not into it. I got just so much to do. It's unbelievable. And
No,
yeah, so
that's
I mean,
totally
like I say, if I got to wait a week or two or whatever, then you know, that's cool. Just send it whenever you can get around to it.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I can. Yeah. Let me see, because. Yeah. So just going and setting a new mount that would be able to fit on your machine correctly would be kind of the most optimal kind of thing for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go and double check to see about me getting a machine that has the MT52. If I can get that one, or I can go to the yard to go make sure I can get it fitted onto that.
Right.
Just because I don't want to go and send you another one
that doesn't fit, right?
Doesn't fit. If that is the case, if we were to cover for the time of repair and to compensate for you having to go and drop it off and pick it up, would you be willing to go and get it dropped off somewhere so we could get it just corrected for you so it does fit properly for your machine?
Well, sure, but I'd rather not have to do that.
No, I completely understand that. So, okay, I'll have to go and call another dealer that, he deals with them and see if he has any machines in stock that we could test fit it on. And then about going and getting it figured out, about getting it shipped out over to you.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, MT. And if you can, are you able to just go and send me a photo of your exact length of your quick attach on your MT52 so I can just compare it? I know I'm not sure if in the years they changed the measurements even slightly. I don't want it to be, off by like 1/8 of an inch.
Right.
Not wanting to clip in. So if you can just send me the entire length of the side of your quick attach, just so I can also measure it and manually double check to make sure.
Right.
That it would be able to fit on your machine.
For sure.
Okay, so glad we got a green pan going and getting it figured out. Is there any chance you'd be able just to put a comment on the video that we are just trying to work on you just to get it resolved? I'm not asking you to take down the video, but
yeah, I'll put another post on for sure.
Okay, I just want it. Yeah, I understand. That's been your experience. So I want to leave it in your hands, but yeah, I do apologize that. Yeah, I should have reached out. I'm the one that goes and uses this phone and takes it with me, so they didn't have the phone. They were just responding to emails, but
right on.
Yeah, so I do apologize for that, but let me go and see how quick I can get that dealer to drop off a machine, and I'll go and try getting something test fitted, and then just send me a measurement as well, and we'll see kind of what will be the best option, or absolute, I would say, worst case scenario. We do have a different model. I don't know if you saw it on the website. It's the one for 2250.
Right.
It has the 3 bits. The bit sizes are slightly different. I think yours had the 8, 12, and 16, if I'm not mistaken.
Something like that, yeah.
The other one we have has, I believe, a 6, 12, and 14. So we could possibly see about getting it switched for that one. I just don't know if those bit sizes.
That, you know what I mean? Like I could just make my own mount, but I just don't have time, or you know what I mean? Like I would have just bought the more expensive one that fit if that's what it took, right? But yeah, anyways, not a big deal. We'll get her sorted out. I'll, make a post or whatever saying you're begging your pardon.
Yeah, if you want to make a video of it and you want to go and deal with modifying it, I could just see if we could just heavily discount it for you. And you could just do it as a project for a video or whatnot. But yeah,
Right.
it's up to you. I don't want to push you into doing something that is not something that you want to go and deal with.
Right. All right. Well, let me know what you can do about the mount. We'll go from there.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, I'll keep you posted and I'll keep you in the loop. What's the best way? Is it emailing, texting, calling? What's kind of your preference? Best
Well,
to you?
texting probably work the best.
Texting is best. Okay, no problem. Okay, so I'll go and I'll message out other dealers, see how quick he's got a machine or how quick he's going to be getting more of them. And yeah, I'll see about getting test fitted. But yeah, just send me that measurement whenever you get a chance sometime today.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Yep. Thank
Sounds
you.
good.
Okay.
Okay. No
Bye.
problem at all.
Yep.
Take care.
Bye. Okay, so yeah, thanks guys. I mean, whatever. The fucking guy's not answering me. What do you want me to do? Just sit around like a goof and get no reply. Oh, email me. Yeah, but we were texting. We were texting. If you were emailing me, I would have emailed you. Like, whatever. Not a big deal. It's not like we're going over to too muches and digging friggin' post holes and stuff. Anyways, I was in the middle of running 2 skid steers trying to get this thing out of the truck. This weighs 1,000,000 pounds. My new one. So, but yeah, no need to carry on messaging them and phoning them and stuff. I guess they beg their part. But yeah, like I say, I didn't want to, answer my text. Hey, this is fucked. Oh, it's fucked. No worries. Oh, let's figure it out. Okay, sweet. Okay, no issue. Oh, my postal digger guys, check this out. But that's not what happened. I don't know. Oh, I'm at a wedding. Cool, but like, what do you want me to do? Just sit here like a goof? I get ripped off and carried on and treated like a idiot all the time. So I just, really not having it. It's pretty much that's what it is. It's pretty much as simple as it gets. You know what I mean? It's not going to participate in other people's horseshit very often. Sorry about that.